Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday we have seen chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. In that chapter, we have seen practice set 14 as well as practice set. Sorry, we have seen practice set 15. In this case, we have seen points in the interior of the angle, right? Points in the exterior of the angle and points on the arms of an angle, right? Points in the interior of angle. See, for example, this is angle AWB. AWB, whatever the points are there inside this angle, these are known as points in the interior. Okay, points in the interior. Okay, and the points which lie to the outside of the angle are known as points in the exterior, and points which lie exactly on the arms of an angle is known as points on the arms of angles. Clear, everyone? This we have seen yesterday. Point R, point N, point X, point C. These are the points which lie on the interior of angle, right? Then point T, point U, point Q, point V, and point Y. These are the points in the exterior. And point A, point W, point G, and point B. These are the points on the arms of an angle. Yes? Okay. Now, next slide is here name of the pairs of an adjacent angles in the figure below. Okay. So, adjacent, the name itself indicate adjacent. Adjacent means the angles which are exactly adjacent to each other, means which are neighboring to each other. And one more important thing is that they should have the common adjacent side. They should have the common side. Okay, for example, angle B and A and angle B and C. So the common is BN, right? Common is BN in both these angles, B and A and angle B and C. Then angle A and B and angle A and C, right? Then angle C and A and angle C and B. So CN is the common in between these two angles. This A and B and A and B and C. BN is common. A and B and A and C. AN is common. ठीक है? दोनों एंगल के पास एटलीस्ट एक कॉमन साइड होनी चाहिए, जैसे कि A and B, एंगल A and B और एंगल A and C में एक साइड AN जो है वो कॉमन है. So these are adjacent angle. Angle B and A and angle B and C. So BN is common. So B and A and B and C are the adjacent angle. Angle C and A and angle C and B. These are the adjacent angles. Okay. So these are the three pairs of adjacent angle. Now in this case, only one adjacent angle is there, right? Angle PQT and angle PQR. Angle PQT and PQR. So PQ is common in between these two angles, right? So angle PQT and angle PQR are the adjacent angles, right? Now, here we have seen how to find the complementary angle, right? Complementary angle. Now we are going to learn about practice set 17. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. Okay. Yesterday we have seen write the complements of the angles given below, and now we are going to learn about write the supplement angles that are given below. Okay, is kindly off your webcam, everyone. This is a request to you, kindly off your webcam. Okay, now write the measures of supplements of the angles given below. Now first question is 15 degree. Okay, 15 degree. So let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Wait a minute. I'm going to share my whiteboard with you. Okay. Okay. Now, let the measure of supplementary angle be x. जैसे कि हमने कल देखा था, let the measure of complementary angle be x. So we'll write let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Okay. Now let the measure of supplementary angle be x. So what is the given angle? 15 degree, right? So 15, okay, plus x, right, is equal to what? Let the measure of supplementary angle be x. When the measure of complementary angle be x, then the addition of two complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. Now here the measure of supplementary angle is there, right? So supplementary angle, so the measure of supplementary angle be x. So 15 plus x is equal to what? Sorry, 15 plus x is equal to what? 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because the measure of supplementary angle be x, right? And 15 plus x is equal to what? 180 degree. Now here we don't want this 15 with x. Why? Because we have to find the value of x, right? We have to find the value of x. So we don't need this 15 with this x. So what we are going to do? We'll shift this 15 टू राइट हैंड साइड, है ना? हमको ये 15x के साथ चाहिए ही नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. So to find the value of x, this 15 is not needed. Okay, so we'll shift this 15 to this side. Okay, so when we shift this 15 to this side, our x will become separate, right? And 180 remain as it is, but when we shift this 15 to right hand side, this plus 15 get converted into minus 15. Matlab, when we shift this 15 to this side, this plus 15 gets changed into minus 15. Okay, now x is equal to what then? X is equal to what? 180 minus 15. Let me know in chat box. 180 minus 15 is equal to what? 180 minus 15. 165. 165. Yes, the answer is 165. Correct. Answer is 165. Everyone is giving answers. Very nice student. Okay. आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं, आपका आंसर रेडी रहता है. Very appreciating this. 180 minus 15 is 165. So x is equal to 165. So what will be the answer then? You have to write answer as well. Answer. Okay. Therefore, answer क्या आएगा? Therefore, the measure of supplementary angle. The measure of supplementary angle is what? 165. 165 degree. Okay. So let the first step will be what? Let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Then 15 plus x, as we know that 15 plus x is equal to 180. Why? Because one of the angle is 15 and another angle we have to find out. So x is equal to what? 180 minus 15. Okay. And 180 minus 15 is nothing but what? 165, right? 180 minus 15 is equal to what? 165. Okay. So therefore the answer is what? The measure of supplementary angle is 165. Same as that of practice set 15, as when let the measure of complementary angle be x. But if the angle is complementary, then the sum of two complementary angle is what? 90 degree. Okay. 90 degree. Okay. Okay. So x is equal to 180 minus 15 means 165. So the measure of supplementary angle is 165. Okay, 165. Okay. Understood everyone this? Very easy sums, right? Okay. Now move to next one. Everyone please note down this sum in your notebook, okay? It's very essential. It's very essential to note all the sums in your notebook, rough notebook, okay? Okay. Write the measure of supplementary angle. 15 has been done. 85. Please do in your notebook. What is the answer for 85? Let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Then 85 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. 180 degree. Right? And then x is equal to 180 minus 85. What will be the answer then? It's 95. Correct. 95. Very good. Very good. Okay. $95 is the answer. Correct, everyone. Good. Very good. Now, the next one is, okay, let the measure of supplementary angle be x. 37 plus x is equal to 180. So, x is equal to 180 minus 37, which is equal to 140. So, the measure of supplementary angle of 37 is 143 degree. Same the question is, now let the measure of supplementary angle be x. 108 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So to find x, we don't want this 108 with x. So we will shift this 108 to this side. 180 minus 108 is equal to 72. So therefore, the measure of supplement of an angle is equal to 108 degree. Okay. If one of the angle is 0, then 180 minus 0 is equal to 180. If one of the angle is A, then x is equal to 180 minus A. That is the answer. Okay. Now question number 2 is, the measure of some complementary and supplementary angles are given. Okay. So we have to find which pair of these are complementary or else which pair are of supplementary angle. Okay. Now angle B is 60 degree, angle N is 30 degree, angle Y is 90 degree, angle J is 150 degree, angle B, angle N, angle Y, angle J, angle D, angle E, angle F and angle G are given. So measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree, measure of angle N is equal to 30 degree, measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree, measure of angle J is equal to 150. Okay. E is equal to 0 and F is equal to 15, G is equal to 120. Now we have to find which of these pairs are complementary or supplementary. Like for example, measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree. Which angle should be added to this 60 degree so that our answer is 90 or 180 degree? So this measure of angle B, if we add this measure of angle N to angle B, so 60 plus 30 equal to 90 degree, right? So measure of angle B and angle N are a pair of complementary angles. Okay? कैसे करना है हमको देखना है कि ये सारे एंगल में से कौन सा एंगल का पेयर सप्लीमेंट्री या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बन सकता है. ठीक है. See for example, measure of angle B is 60 degree है and angle N is equal to 30 degree, right? angle n equal to 30. So 60 plus 30 equal to 90. So angle B and angle N are a pair of complementary angles. Okay. Now angle Y 90 degree and angle E 0 degree. So 90 plus 0 equal to 90. So angle Y and angle E are a pair of complementary angle. Okay. Now one of the angle D is 75 degree. Now which one is 15? Angle F is 15. So 75 plus 15 is equal to 90 degrees. So angle D and angle F are a pair of complementary angle. Now check whether the pairs are supplementary or not. So one of the angle is 120 degree, angle G. Now 180 बनाने के लिए हमको कौन से angle की जरूरत है? Angle B 60. So angle B and angle G form a pair of supplementary angle. Now angle N is 30 and angle J is 150, which is equal to 180. So angle N and angle J are a pair of supplementary angle. Okay. So we have to find any angles. You can choose any angle, but make sure that the sum of two angles should be 90 degree or it should be 180 degree, so that it forms complementary angle or supplementary angle. दोनों दो एंगल आपको any two angles आपको चूज करने हैं जिसका सम या तो 90 डिग्री आना चाहिए या तो 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए. If the sum is 90 degree, then it is complementary angle. If the sum is 180 degree, then it is supplementary angle. Clear everyone? Any two angles you can choose out of this. There are many angles. Okay, any two angles you can choose by your choice and check whether these are complementary angles or supplementary angle. It is very compulsory or essential to check whether these are complementary or supplementary. कोई भी two angles को आपको addition नहीं करना है. Okay, choose any two angles whose sum is 180, either 180 or 90 degree. Or okay, whether it will form supplementary angles or complementary angle. Okay, I hope everyone clear about this. Okay, clear? Okay, good. So, but when you are writing this, the steps should be very important. First of all, write addition measure of angle Y plus measure of angle E is equal to 90 degree plus 0 degree equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle Y and angle E are a pair of complementary angle. ये steps लिखना बहुत important है. ठीक है, very important. Angle Y and angle E are a pair of complementary angle. As this chapter is angles and pair of angle is there, no? So angle sign is very important. Angle sign, you are not supposed to write it as Y and E are a pair of complementary angle. D and F are a pair of complementary angle. Okay, because the angle is very important. Sign of angle is very important. Okay. Okay. Now question number 3. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is equal to, measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? Means in triangle XYZ, yesterday I have told you, see, for this is a triangle. Okay, so this is a triangle. So tell me the sum of these three angles of a triangle is equal to what? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree. Siddhi, good beta. Tanmay, Roshan, very good. Sarthak, 180 degree. As I told you, yes. Sankalp, Abhishek, Suryanshu, Vedika, Sai, Ayush, everyone, Dhananjay, everyone is giving answer. Very appreciating. Okay, 180 degree. Yesterday I have told you sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree, right? 180 degree. Now the question is what? First understand the question, what the question is. Okay, first understand the question. Okay, in triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree, right? So what kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? ठीक है, एक एंगल दिया हुआ है और दोनों एंगल कौन सा पेयर फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, वेदर इट विल बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री और सप्लीमेंट्री. One of the angle is given as angle Y is given and angle X and angle Z is not given, and they are asking about which kind of pair do these two angles make. Clear? Now in triangle XYZ, okay, in triangle XYZ, as I told you yesterday, if this is the triangle, for example X, this Y and this Z, if one of the angle means sorry, wait a minute. If this is a triangle, okay, and this is angle Y, okay, this is angle Y because Y is 90 degree and this is X and this is Z. If triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree, right? And we have to find the pairs angle, which kind of pair angle X and angle Z make. Okay. Now as I told you that in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to what? 180 degree is equal to what? 180 degree, right? Angle Z is equal to angle X plus Y plus Z equal to 180 degree, as sum of the measure of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Now measure of angle X remain as it is, as the value of angle X is not given. Angle Y कितना दिया हुआ है? 90 degree. Again angle Z is not given, is equal to 180 degree. Now we don't want this 90 with angle X and angle Z. Why? Because we have to find the value of angle X and angle Z. So angle X plus angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90, because 90 gets shifted to right hand side. So 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Therefore measure of angle X and measure of angle Z is equal to 90 degree. And we know that angle X and angle Z make a pair of complementary angle. Okay? Now this same I am going to explain you by whiteboard. Okay? Please pay attention everyone. Okay? So measure of angle Y is given. What it is? Measure of angle Y is equal to what? Measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree, as it is given, right? Measure of angle Y is given. Okay. Now we know that measure of angle X plus measure of angle Y, okay, plus measure of angle Z is equal to what? 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because the sum of measure of all the angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay. Now measure of angle X, the value of measure of angle X is given or not? No. So we'll write measure of angle X as it is, because no value is there of measure of angle X, plus measure of angle Y is given. What the value of measure of angle Y is? 90 degree. Okay. Plus measure of angle Z, the value of measure of angle Z is not given, so it will remain as it is. Okay, is equal to 180. Okay, now we don't want this 90. We don't want this 90 with measure of angle X and measure of angle Z. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको angle X और angle Z का value find out करना है. So measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equal to this 180. When we shift this 90 to this side, it will become subtracted. Sorry, it will become subtracted. Okay, plus 90 जब भी right hand side में जाएगा तो it will becomes minus 90. So therefore measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to what? 90. Okay. So therefore measure of angle X and measure of angle Z makes which pair of angle? It makes which pair? Measure of angle X and measure of angle Z makes a pair of which angle? Complementary angle. A pair of complementary angle. Okay. So again I make you understand this. Measure of angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 90 degree. The reason for this is what? The sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now the value of X and Z is not given. Okay. So angle X plus angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90. Now angle X plus angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to what? 90. Therefore, measure of angle X and measure of angle Z makes a pair of complementary angle. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, clear? I hope everyone understood this. Okay. I hope everyone understood this. Okay, good. Okay. Now question number 3 is, we have seen angle X and angle Z make a pair of complementary angle. Now next is the difference between the measure of two angles of a complementary angle. Find the measure of two angles. Okay, find the measure of two angles. Now let the measure of one angle be X. One of the angle is X. And the measure of other angle is X plus 40. Because difference between measure of two angles of a complementary pair, find the measure of two angle. So one of the difference is given, that is X plus 40. ठीक है, X है और दूसरा angle है 40, means X plus 40. So X plus 40 is equal to 90 degrees since two angles are complementary. दोनों angle complementary है. एक one of the angle is X and another angle is X plus 40. So which is equal to 90 because two angles are complementary, right? Now X plus X is equal to what? 2X. 40 remain as it is equal to 90. Now we don't want this 40 with 2X. So what we are going to do? We will subtract this 40 from 90 because 40 gets shifted to right hand side. Now 2X is equal to 50. Now we don't want this 2 with X. So it will shift to right hand side, but the 2 is multiplying to this X. So X is equal to 50 upon 2 means X is equal to what? 25. Okay. So X plus one of the value we got is X is equal to 25. Another value is X plus 40 means 25 plus 40 is equal to 65. So the measure of two angles is 25 degree and 65 degree. Okay. Now okay, I'll show you how to do this. Okay, by whiteboard. See, one of the angle is what? X, because it is given. Okay, it is given. One of the angle it is x. Okay, and another angle is what? X plus 40. Another angle is x plus 40. Okay, and it is clearly mentioned that both the angles are complementary to each other. So the sum is what? 90 degree. X plus 40 is equal to what? 90 degree. Complementary or supplementary it is given? Complementary, right? X and x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree because it is given. Okay, now x plus x is equal to what? 2x, right? Then plus 40 is equal to what? Is equal to 90 degree, right? Now 2x plus 40, we don't want this 40 with 2x है ना, जब भी हमको जिसका वैल्यू निकलना है उसके साथ हमको ये नंबर नहीं चाहिए. So we shift this 40 to right hand side. So 2x is equal to क्या हो जाएगा वो? 90 minus 40. Okay, because when we shift this 40 to this side, it will become minus 40. Okay, now 2x will remain as it is equal to 90 minus 40 is equal to what? 90 minus 40 is equal to what? It is 50, right? It is 50. Now we again don't want this 2 with x. Why? Because we have to find the value of x only. So we'll shift this 2 to right hand side. But when we shift this 2 to right hand side, multiply 2 get converted into divide, right? So x is equal to 50 divided by 2. Okay. Now when we divide 50 by 2, x is equal to what? X is equal to 25. है ना? Because 25 2s are 50. So the value of x is equal to what? 25. Okay, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड करो. उन्होंने दो वैल्यू दिया है. The difference between x and x plus 40 is equal to 90. So x plus 40 is equal to 90. Now x plus x is equal to what? X plus x is equal to what? 2x. So 2x plus 40 is equal to 90. Now 2x is equal to, we don't want 40 with x, so we shift that 40 to right hand side and it will become minus 40. Now 2x is equal to 50. Now we don't want this 2 with 50, so it will be shifted to right hand side. When multiply 2 shifted to right hand side, it will become divided. So x is equal to 50 by 2 means what? 25. So we got one of the angle, that is 25, right? Another angle is what? Another angle is x plus 40, है ना? दूसरा angle कौन सा है हमारा? X plus 40. So x plus 40 is equal to, क्या हो जाएगा? x का वैल्यू कितना है? 25. Okay, plus 40, है ना? 40 is equal to 40 plus 25 is what? 65, right? So our one of the angle is 25 and other angle is what? 65. Okay, so both the angles are 25 and 65 who are complementary to each other. Understood now? Understood now? Okay, 25 and 65. Understood now? Okay. Understood? Very easy sum, right? Very easy. X plus 40, 90. X plus x 2x plus 40 is equal to 90. Then 2x is equal to 90. देखो जब भी हम लोग ये वाला टर्म शिफ्ट करते हैं ना, plus 40 when we shift to this side minus 40. अगर यहाँ पे minus 40 रहता था और ये minus 40 हम लोग यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते थे तो आंसर हमारा plus 40 आता था. ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद 90 minus 40 is equal to 50. X is equal to, when we shift this multiplying 2 to this side, it will becomes divided. So 50 get divided by 2. So the answer is 25. When we got one of the angle, our second answer automatically get solved, right? So 25 plus 40 is equal to 65. So one of the angle is 25 and other angle is 65. ठीक है? So these two angles are 25 and 65 who are complementary to each other. Clear everyone? I hope everyone is understood this. Yes? Clear or not? Okay. See, one of the angle is 25 and other angle is 65. Okay. Now next sum is, okay, this is very important sum. Please pay attention everyone. Okay. Okay, so the question is if measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of supplement of the complement of angle A? One of the angle A is 70 degree लिया हुआ है. What is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? Supplement of complement of angle A. Please pay attention everyone. Here one of the complication is there. What is the measure of supplement of complement of angle A? They are asking about. If measure of angle A is 70 degree. So if angle A is 70 degree, we have to find the measure of supplement of complement of angle A. But we don't know first. अगर हमको supplement निकालना है, किसका supplement find out करना है? Complement of angle A. पर हमको complement of angle भी नहीं पता है, right? कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल भी हमको नहीं पता है. हम सप्लीमेंट मतलब 180 सप्लीमेंट हम तभी निकालेंगे एंगल ए का जब भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल ए हमको पता रहेगा, है ना. ये दोनों वर्ड एक दूसरे से एकदम जुड़े हुए हैं. सी, सप्लीमेंट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल ए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल ए. कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल ए, ठीक है. टू फाइंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एवरीवन प्लीज पे अटेंशन. ओके, सप्लीमेंट of the complement of angle A. So first of all we have to find the complement of angle A. Complement of angle A. So let the measure of complement of angle A be x. Okay, let the measure of the complement of angle be x and the measure of its supplementary angle be y. Complement of angle A जो रहेगा वो x consider करेंगे हम लोग और उसका जो supplementary angle रहेगा that will consider as y. ठीक है. Now let the measure of angle A, they let the complement of measure of angle A be x. So measure of angle A plus x is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now angle A is how much? 70 degree. So 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Now we don't want this 70 with x because we have to find the value of x, right? So x is equal to 90 minus 70, which is equal to what? 20. ठीक है. Now x and y are supplementary angle. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now x का value कितना है? 20, right? Plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now again we don't want this 20 with y. So 180 minus 20 is equal to 160 degree. Okay. So the measure of supplement of the complement of angle A is 160 degree. Now I will show you how this has to be done by sharing whiteboard. Okay. 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 So first of all, what we are going to consider is let the complementary given is what? Given is measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree and we have to find the supplement of complement of angle A. है ना? So first of all we have to find the complement of angle A, right? So let the complement of angle A is equal to what? We consider it as x degree, right? And what we consider again? Let its सप्लीमेंट, उसका सप्लीमेंट क्या कंसीडर करेंगे हम लोग? लेट्स इट्स सप्लीमेंट बी y. Okay, we consider it as y. Okay. Okay, let the complement of angle A is equal to x and its supplement be y. Okay. Now, if the complement of angle A is equal to x, and if we have to find the value of complement of angle A, because to find the value of supplement of complement of angle A, we have to find the complement of angle A first. Okay. Now, measure of angle A plus x is equal to 90 degree, right? 90 degree, because we have to find the value of complement of angle A. Now, what is the value of angle A? It is 70 degree, right? It is 70 degree. Now, value of x we have to find out, which is equal to what? 90 degree, right? Now, we don't want this 70 with x, right? We have to find the value of x. So, this 70 we don't need it. So, we'll shift to this right hand side. So, x is equal to what? 90 minus what? 70. क्यों हमने minus 70 किया? Because this 70 is in plus form. When it shifted to right hand side, it will become minus. Okay, minus 70. Now, x is equal to what then? 90 minus 70 is what? 20. So we got the value of x is equal to 20. We got the value of x which is equal to what? 20. Okay. Okay. So we got the value of x is equal to 20. Now, but we have to find the value of supplement of complement of angle A, right? तो complement of angle हमको कितना मिला? 20, right? Complement of angle A equal to 20. Now to find the supplement, we have to add x as well as y, right? We have to find x as well as y, which is equal to what? 180 degree. ठीक है? Now value of x is what? 20. Okay. Plus y का value we have to find out, okay, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now we don't want this 20 with y. So what we'll do? We'll shift this 20 to right hand side, right? So 180 minus this 20. Therefore, y is equal to what? Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 20 is what? 160. Okay. So the value of supplement of complement of angle A is equal to 160 degree. Don't be afraid of this sum, because many times from last 2 years I have seen this. This sum feels quite difficult to students, but no need to afraid of it. When I taught last year batch and last to last year batch, they solved these sums very easily, because first understand the question, what the question is. Find the supplement of complement of angle, and now to find the supplement of complement of angle A, we have to find the complement of angle A first, right? Now let the complement of angle A is equal to x and its supplement be y. Now first find the complement of angle A. Measure of angle A plus x is equal to 90 degree. Now angle A is given, that is 70. 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Now x, we don't want this 70 with x, so we'll shift this 70 to right hand side. So x is equal to 90 minus 70, which is equal to what? 20. Now we have to find the value of y. Why? Because the supplement here, the supplement we have to find out, supplement of complement of x. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree, right? Now x का value हमको कितना मिला? 20. Now 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now we don't want this 20 with y. So this 20 should be shifted to right hand side. So y is equal to 180 minus 20, which is equal to 160. So y is equal to what? 160. Therefore, the supplement of complement of angle A is equal to what? 160 degree. Okay. I try to understand you this very well. Okay, I hope you understood this well. Okay, so this is all about practice set. Wait a minute. Okay, so y is equal to 160 degree. Therefore, the measure of supplement of complement of angle A is equal to 160 degree. Okay, so this is all about practice set 17. Okay, so I hope you understood this chapter, this practice set very well. Yes. Okay. Yes, Ayush is saying, teacher, we just have to understand it. Then only we feel it easy. Very good, Ayush. Yes, very good. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this. Yes, 7th A, 7th B, 7th C. Clear? Sums are too easy. Yes. When you understood this, the sums are getting easy. Understood it? Yes, Siddhi, Vaishnavi, Arpit, Roshan, no doubt. Harshada, really easy. Yes, Dhananjay, Mandira. Everyone is saying, teacher, we understood this. Okay. So, thank you, everyone. Okay. We'll do practice set 18 in the next lecture. Okay.